In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Replit. Whether you're a content creator, a programmer wanting to embed tutorial videos, or just a tech enthusiast, knowing how to integrate video files into your Replit projects can enhance your feature set significantly. So let's dive right in and take this step by step. First things first, you'll want to go to the Replit homepage. If you're already familiar with navigating Replit, you'll know exactly where to find this. If not, open up your web browser, type in the Replit URL, and hit enter. You should see the usual interface filled with all the creative possibilities Replit offers. Next, you'll need to locate the Apps section. This might also be familiar to you, but for those who are new, the Apps section is typically found in your dashboard. Clicking on it will give you access to all the applications that Replit supports, providing a vast array of tools at your disposal. Now, it's time to choose the project you want to add your video to. If you've dabbled in Replit before, you'll have a list of projects that you can explore. Simply scroll through and find the one you want to enrich with video content and select it. Once you're in your chosen project, look for the option to add an attachment. This feature is a gateway to incorporating all sorts of additional files into your project workspace. By clicking on this option, you're setting the stage to bring your video file into the project environment. After you've clicked to add an attachment, you'll see the option to upload a file. This is a critical step because it allows you to browse and select the video file you wish to integrate. Whether it's an informative clip or a dynamic tutorial, your file will soon be a part of your Replit project. With the file upload option selected, navigate through your local storage and choose the video file you want to upload. Replit supports various file types, so feel free to choose based on your project needs, be it a video or even an image file for added visual context. Once you've successfully uploaded your file, the next thing to do is click on Attached Assets. This section will now house the file you've just uploaded. It's essentially where all your project resources gather to be utilized as needed. Finally, you should be able to see the file you uploaded in this section. It will be listed among any other assets or resources you have previously added. Here, you can confirm your video file is ready to use, ensuring you can incorporate it into your project seamlessly, adding the multimedia element that sets your work apart.